Hey beauty family, welcome to another weekend's vlog. Today is Friday, January 12th, and it is 4:27. I know, starting the vlog late yet again, but once again I haven't done nothing. I woke up, I actually didn't wake up that late today. I woke up at around 11, showered, got dressed, cleaned a little bit, and right now I'm actually gonna start getting ready because today is one of my aunt's birthday, so we're gonna go have birthday dinner. But yeah, my hair's already semi done pretty much, so I just need to beat this face because we are looking a little ugly right now. We gotta put on our face, and yeah, so I'm pretty much gonna do that right now while watching some YouTube. I always gotta be watching YouTube. I'm on YouTube 24/7, literally. I don't really watch TV. I watch YouTube more than anything. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I'm not sure what kind of look I want to do. I really don't want to put makeup on, but I don't want to look ugly. Everyone's gonna look beautiful and I'm gonna be looking like a bum. No, unacceptable. Guys, look, I got my nails done. Aren't they so pretty? I got them blue since baby showers are next weekend. They start next weekend, so I decided to get them already. So I went yesterday. I was actually gonna vlog, but I was like, wait, it's not the weekend yet, girl, you can't vlog. And I was gonna get them done today, but since I had the dinner, I didn't want to be rushed or whatever, so I decided to go yesterday. But nails are on and popping. Now we gotta get this face popping as well. So I'll go ahead and see you guys in a bit once we are done, and we'll see what I come up with. Hey, so I am all done. This is the look that I came up with. A gold eyelid, some brown, little brown smoky, nude lips. This is my favorite nude combo. If you guys want to see a video on this look, because I really loved how it turned out. I think it looks so gorgeous. Let me know, comment tutorial, so I know that I should create a tutorial on this, because I really like it so much, and I only used one palette. Let me know if you guys want to see it. But it's about like 6:20. The dinner's at 7, so I'm just waiting for my mom to finish getting ready so we can head out. But I'm pretty much done. I'm dressed already, my makeup's done. I'm just gonna retouch my hair because I feel like my curls fall out so fast now. I think because my hair is pretty long and heavy. And it's just so annoying because I have to keep redoing it, like retouching it, just to make sure it looks curly, but it's so annoying. But yes, I'll go ahead and catch you guys once I'm in the car so my mom can say hi to you guys, and then we'll go from there. So we're finally leaving. It's 7:30. We're supposed to leave before 7, but my mom, look at my belly, you guys. It's getting so big. But yes, we're heading out. Bye, Jay. Bye, Jay. Be good. No. Stay over there. We just got to my aunt's house. There's my mama. Hello. There's my cousin, Heidi. So I thought we were supposed to get there at 7, but apparently we're supposed to get there at what time? 8. At 8. So I was rushing my mom. 10 minutes. Here's my tia, guys. You guys remember her from the last vlog? You guys saw her? She looked, you know, a little crazy. Yeah, what up? Bien guapa. Let me see, tia, come.
My mom was in your vlog?
Yes, honey.
I'm dreaming. She's dreaming. I'm gonna be famous! Your nieces watch all your videos on YouTube. Hola, Lia.
Hey guys, so we're here at the restaurant. I'm gonna show you guys everyone. It's my family, my tias, my cousins, and all that. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me because it's kind of loud in here, but give me 1 second. This is my food, you guys. Nothing to cover? Glass cover? No, it's a glass cover.
Family time. Girls only. Girls only. That's my machata. The beautiful girl in the whole world. O sea. Ya se enchiladas Venezuela.
Hey y'all, so I just got home. It is about like 12:30, something like that. I had a really great time with all my tias and my cousins. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm just gonna take out my makeup and I think I'm gonna cut Omar's hair. I'm gonna cut his hair right now. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.